Hi, honey! Did you know, Bao, did you know, that this is a love story that started at the waiting shed and turned to be waiting for the love of my life story?
What a wonderful life. I can't help thinking that I'm onto something,
Honey, July 26, 2018, ang unang araw ng ating pagkikita. Ang araw na nagsimula ang ating pagmamahalan, na inabot sa 6 na taon at ngayong umabot sa sumpaan sa harap ng ating Panginoon.
What a wonderful life. Oh, oh, oh.
As the Father has loved me, so I also love you. So, love one another as I love you. So, our theme for this afternoon is just that one word, love.
Oh, oh, oh. Feel the sun on my skin. The air is sweet. I'm breathing it in.
Thank you for being my #1 fan and most of all the worst basher at the same time. At least tangka.
Maano? Cheers, everyone! See you later. See you tonight.
See you tonight. Bang bangan na to! Joke.
Okay lang man.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. What a wonderful life, wonderful life. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. What a wonderful life.
Mr. Debonair, you may now kiss your bride.
Honey, darling, my love. 3. Maraming salamat sa 6 na taon na puno ng pagmamahalan, puno ng away at puno ng kadaramahan. Pero kahit anong pagsubok man ang mga darating, ang pag-ibig natin ang laging nananalo anuman ang mga suliranin.
Kung ito man ang huling awitin, nais kong malaman.
Thank you for being unapologetically you, for being the one who brought me closer to God's Word. I'm grateful that despite our differences in religion, syempre ako Roman Catholic, ikaw Baptist, we still found unity in respect and love. Look at us now. We will stand together in front of the altar, not divided, but united by faith, love, and God's grace.
Dahil sa'yo,
Salamat kahit di kita hinanap, kusa kang dumating. Salamat kahit di ko pinilit ang panahon, pero kusang sumang-ayon ang pagkakataon. Salamat Panginoon at iyong pinadala ang isang anghel na mula sa langit na aking palaging iniibig.
Salamat, sana iyong marinig.
From the very start, you caught my attention with your quiet charm and your minimalist beard. Ang bungot niya actually ang nakapa-attract. But it wasn't just that with the looks. It was also the way we shared our food trips, those spontaneous Vicky rides, chasing sunsets with matching kaon tinanok nga mani, kag balot. And even our recent gym time that made me realize of how much I love doing life with you.
Go after your dreams, crazy as they may seem. Go chase all the stars in the sky. Baby, I'll be paving the runway.
I look forward to the life ahead, our home, our children, and our everyday moments together. Miskan sardinas lang, basta may pamahaw, panyaga, panyapon, o snacks pa dyan. And of course, more travels, this time as husband and wife.
Baby, soon you'll be old.
faithful, be loving, be forgiving, and always do not forget God in your marriage.
If ever your ways are tired and broken things, can't see through the tears.
As you sail the seas, risking and sacrificing your life as a seafarer, know that my heart sails with you. And here on land, your cutesy maestra wife will hold the fort, raising our future children with the same unconditional love you've shown me.
Mula ngayon, yung 6 na taon na lagi nating pinoproblema kung sa tuwing tayo ay lalabas o huli nang umuwi na umabot sa minsang pagsisinungaling sa iyong mga magulang, ay atin nang wakasan. Dahil simula ngayon, di mo na kailangan pa magpaalam sa kanila ni Mama at Papa, dahil ako na ang iyong tahanan at ang iyong pahinga. Mahal kita at papakamahalin pa hanggang sa dulo ng aking hininga. I love you.
Maybe I'll be paving the runway, 'cause I know that one day you're gonna fly.
My love, my partner, my husband, my forever. And first time ko niyang bal sa imo. I love you so much!